Which way do we go? We go that way, or do we keep going up?
We're going to Acre Woods, where Winnie the Pooh's at. Did I get the name right?
100 Acre Woods.
100 Acre Woods, that's what it's called. We found the trail for hiking, and it's this way.
Ooh.
Have you been hiking before?
And maybe 15 years ago?
I did 8,000 steps. It's because I jogged this morning.
Excuse me.
I have a treadmill. Ooh, it's nice and shady here. And let me show you guys how cool the trail looks. I think it's pretty cool because the way the branches, I wanted to say it's making it look like you're entering a cave or something. Because it's
Forest. Like a dark forest.
Like a dark forest, yeah. Just in case if we run into like a bear or any predators, I have this with me. It's a bear pepper spray. I never even used it. I had it for a long time.
Let's go that way.
Okay, so you choose which trail. We're looking.
Look that way.
That trail?
Yeah.
This one? We can follow footprints.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, the people went up this way. So we're gonna do the same thing.
This is scary.
Because there's no light. Hardly any light.
Nothing to grab onto.
Oh, that type is scary.
Yeah.
Oh, check out the branch. That's a cool way of going underneath something. As Zach Bacon say, we're entering a portal. Did I say bacons? I meant bagans. Bagans. Zach Bagans. Oh, there's the pipe.
Oh, yeah.
It goes all the way up there.
Okay, I can maybe stay a little bit. A little bit.
You have confidence enough to walk on this trail?
A little bit.
Nice view from here.
Getting flatter.
Getting flatter? Cool. So it makes it more easy. Let me get a shot of that tree. That's a cool tree. I wonder how old that is. Now we're sitting on this stuff. We're going to take a picture or a video. Okay, now let me sit up straight, but I look too tall, so I'll have to...
Be careful with me.
We're not alone here. We hear people. Well, I broke my sunglasses. You guys want to see? Check it out. I just put them in my pocket and they just came out back like this. I don't even know how long I had these sunglasses.
Probably a year.
I'll just put them in my pocket, so once we run into a trash can, I'll throw them away. I like those sunglasses.
I know. Whoa. Which way do we go? We go that way, or do we keep going up?
We're going to Acre Woods, where Winnie the Pooh's at.
So we're gonna go that way then?
The way this place looks, it reminds me of Acre Woods. Did I get the name right?
100 Acre Woods.
100 Acre Woods, that's what it's called. And there's another trail that goes this way.
Trail this way.
I wonder if it's like a zigzag trail. Trying to see if I can get a shot of it. That goes straight that way. Yeah, let's go up. To me, like I said, it looks like 100 Acre Woods this way. To me, it does.
That was scary right there.
This should be no problem. I don't see it going up too far.
What was that? 3.44 miles more.
Oh, okay. That's what the sign... Yep. She was right.
Just get up this road.
Let's go to 100 Acre Woods. See Tigger.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh.
And Winnie the Pooh. Oh, bother.
My favorite was Eeyore.
I think everyone's favorite was Eeyore for some reason.
I like Piglet too. He was high inside.
If you guys can get a really good idea how high we are, just look this way. That's how high we are.
We're 6,000 feet.
6,000 feet? Mm-hmm. Yep, that's pretty high. I can even see the mountains over there, like the top of it. It's great to go hiking on a wonderful, beautiful, and clear day.
Yeah.
It's the all shit means it's too high.
Should we just try it? I'm afraid to go down this hill.
It's up to you if you want to try it.
I kind of don't. I don't think I could come down this hill already.
Oh. I see something up there for some reason.
You want to go up there?
Yeah, I'll go.
I can't. I'm going to have to figure out how to get down.
Let me see. It's a flat surface. Huh. Another road up here too. Yeah. Yeah, that's another road up here. I'm getting a good view from the camera. Let me take like a nice, beautiful wide shot for everybody. If you guys can't hear Gracie, she sounds like she wants to go to another trail that we were at before. That splits in two, I think. Oh, I see houses over there. Check it out. There's two of them. Or cabins. They're not houses, they're cabins. Before I go down, let's get a good look at this top mountain that I made it from. So once I go back down, I'll show Gracie what this place looks like. Yep, this is what it looks like if you would have came up a little bit more further. All right, she was right about going downhill. I'm almost losing my balance. Let me go this way. Hey. All you have to do is sidestep. That's all you need to do. And you're fine. See, I haven't fallen yet. Well, no, I was just kidding. There she is. You guys can see her. Maybe 100 Acre Woods is this way.
I don't know. We'll find out, right? I can do it when there's a lot of trees around. At least I can grab onto a tree if I fall.
Okay.
It didn't happen. It didn't happen.
Yeah, just take your time walking. You guys can't tell. You see how steep? It's not too steep, but the road is a little tiny steep, so you can still slip just a little bit. But that little bit can be enough to make you fall, though.
I need to get back down there. I'm not being able to. Can you go down there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna back on the road thing. You need to go back.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I went up too high.
Oh, we ran into two more
Another
pathways.
one.
There's two pathways.
Oh, so we went up that way and then came back this way.
That
We
one?
can try to go up this way, I guess,
Okay.
for a little bit.
No, yeah, this is the same pathway we
We
were.
came up, yeah. Oh, great. How am I gonna get up? Told you I was gonna fall.
So what you want to do? Go this way or back down? How many steps did you wanted to do today? I didn't make 9,000 today.
I didn't do very many today. The more we go hiking, the more I'll feel better and I'll feel more confident. that I won't fall and kill myself.
Sounds
You know
good.
what I mean?
Yeah, that sounds good.
I wanted to go see that place down there where when we stopped for the snow. That one right in the front, the entrance.
You want to go over there then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bear sightings in park. Oh.
Oh, that's why I brought the thing.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Oh, caution, bear sightings.
Yeah.
I always bring, I have common sense. I always bring it just in case there's predators, yeah.
I didn't even think about it. And then we can go that way too.
It's closed. I see a closed gate over there.
Oh.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, see it was closed.
See, instead of us going like, we could do something on the Saturday and come here.
What a nice, wonderful day to go hiking in Tehachapi, California. Have to pick a day to come back and do it again.